Okay, so I'm in the BIOS setting in my device. So basically we'll need to go to the security. So sometime depend on the device, this setting will be different depending on the device, but you will need to mostly go to the security and you will need to find the security chip, or it's called TPM, or sometimes it's called Intel PVV setting as well. So basically we need to go to security chip, and you can see the security chip is disabled at the moment. So I will enable the TPM. So TPM is now enabled. Now one more thing we need to enable is we need to enable the secure boot. So we need to go to secure boot and we need to enable it, the secure boot from here as well. You will get this prompt. Is basically this one of the requirement for the secure boot is it has to be the UEFI mode. So your boot mode should be UEFI, then the secure boot will be available. So make sure the boot mode is set up to UEFI, and then once it's done we can set it up. So now the secure boot and TPM is enabled.